Hey there, everyone. Welcome to an exciting video with some game-changing news that we can't wait to share with you. Trust us, this announcement is one you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Get ready to discover the incredible world of PLS because it's about to revolutionize everything. Brace yourselves as the highly anticipated bridge from PulseChain has finally been launched. That's right, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. And guess what? We have an exclusive PLS link just for you, straight from the bridge itself. But hold on a second, there's a small but crucial detail. The PLS you'll be getting your hands on is actually wrapped, known as WPLS. So, while you won't be able to bridge directly with PLS, fear not, we've got the ultimate solution for you. You can easily purchase WPLS on Uniswap this very moment, right within the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, if you decide to bridge it back, please note that you'll need 120 PLS to unwrap it. Don't stress though, because we're here to reveal the perfect solution in this video. Don't forget to stay updated with the latest information by following us on Twitter. The link can be found in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Let's first talk about the PulseChain bridge. You can find the link in the description of this video. If you decide to buy and bridge your assets, there's a chance you can try to execute a gas transaction with some PLS. It might sound a bit tricky, and we don't have all the details, but you need to experiment a bit and set certain limits. There's no guarantee of success, but you have one shot at it. Unfortunately, if this method fails, we'll have to wait for a centralized exchange listing, which is less ideal in terms of decentralization. Now, let us show you the reality of the current situation. The PLS you'll be purchasing is actually wrapped PLS. But don't worry, it's still genuine. When you look closer, you'll see that you can buy it on Uniswap, and it's the real PLS. You can send it to the chain without any issues. However, there's a catch. You can't unlock it yet. Let's clarify things. You cannot bridge out from PulseChain using PLS directly. It doesn't work. You can only use WPLS, which means you have to wrap your PLS first. It's a bit unfortunate, but when you bring it back in, you'll need to unwrap it. It costs gas fee something like 120 PLS. With your PLS and PulseX tokens, you have the freedom to take various actions and make decisions according to your preferences. You can transfer them between different accounts and hold on to them securely. However, it's important to note that these transactions require gas fees, which are the costs associated with processing them on the blockchain. Currently, there is a challenge that needs to be addressed. There isn't an immediate solution available. However, there is hope on the horizon. A website called portalxswap.io is actively working on a solution that will make your token transfers smoother and more efficient. Unfortunately, it will take a few weeks for this solution to be implemented, which might feel like a long time. The proposed solution aims to enable the conversion of your tokens into PLS on the other side, simplifying the process for you. While this feature is not yet fully developed, it's important to remain patient and understand that these things take time. It's not a failure or a dead end. It's simply a temporary setback that requires our patience. So, for now, we need to wait patiently until the solution is ready. Rest assured, the team is actively working on it, and soon you'll have a seamless experience with your token transfers. In the meantime, let's remain positive and keep an eye out for further updates. Exciting things are coming. If you're intrigued by the concept of decentralization, which lies at the heart of PulseChain, it's essential to understand the present circumstances. PulseChain is currently in its early stages, with no major exchange listings or involvement from venture capitalists. As a result, the project is still in development and nothing is fully operational just yet. However, this also means that you have the opportunity to be an early adopter and proudly say you were there from the beginning, even before PulseChain was accessible through exchanges or bridging funds. This is a pivotal moment that you'll look back on when the value of your investments skyrockets. In the future, your holdings could experience extraordinary growth, potentially reaching 50, 100, or even 150 times their initial worth. This is the kind of progress that excites investors. Conversely, there are numerous dubious coins in circulation that have been designed to exploit unsuspecting individuals. These coins have secured listings on major exchanges, offer perpetual contracts, and receive endorsements from mainstream YouTube influencers and marketers. However, being involved in such projects is not desirable. Rest assured, the price of PulseChain remains unaffected by these external factors. You're not missing out on any significant opportunity. It's crucial to consider the current liquidity of PulseChain, which is relatively limited at this early stage. Consequently, slippage can occur, with substantial price increases resulting from relatively small transactions. Furthermore, funds are gradually flowing into the bridge, with millions of dollars being deposited in batches every few minutes. This demonstrates active participation and investment in PulseChain, alleviating the need for panic or feelings of exclusion. Now, what do we know about PulseChain since the mainnet was launched? The launch of PulseChain has been shrouded in secrecy, with only hints and speculation circulating on platforms like Reddit. The project's official launch is underway, and early reports suggest a successful start, with an astonishing 16.3 billion tokens burned in the first week. This initial surge demonstrates the interest and engagement surrounding PulseChain, but it also adds to the existing debate surrounding the project's nature and viability. According to Reddit.com, the LP buy and burn function for PLSX works by using a portion of all trade fees of any asset to buy PLSX and then burn it, which removes it from circulation forever. This creates two aspects that help the token's value: automatic buy pressure and deflationary over time. Although the process is manual, people will likely engage in it constantly since it costs practically nothing and pays a bounty to the person who engages the process, giving them an incentive to do so. Furthermore, PulseChain.com states that PulseChain doesn't burn waste energy as it replaces proof-of-work miners with proof-of-stake validators, making it environmentally friendly. In addition, it reduces the issuance of PLS by 25% per block compared to Ethereum, which improves game theory. Thank you for tuning into our video, highlighting the incredible potential of PulseChain's bridge and the opportunity to grab your WPLS tokens. We hope you found this information enlightening and inspiring for your investment journey. As PulseChain evolves and progresses, it's vital to stay informed about the latest developments and upcoming projects that have the potential to deliver outstanding returns. To stay connected and up to date with the PulseChain community, we encourage you to join us on Twitter. We'll be sharing valuable insights, important updates, and engaging in meaningful discussions. Simply check out the video description below for the link to our official Twitter account. Once again, we sincerely appreciate your time and attention. Thank you for being a part of this exciting journey with PulseChain. We eagerly look forward to sharing more updates, opportunities, and discussions with you in the future. Stay tuned, stay connected, and may your investments thrive on the path to success.